This video will provide steps on how to install the PL1R-LAC power locking kit on a Royal Truck service body. The following demonstration is for double skin doors only. A single skin door will require an installation harness using surface mounting components. Let's begin. As shown, we mark the area where we will drill. Next, using a step drill, carefully proceed to drill the holes. Make sure not to dent or pierce the other side of the door. Next, carefully run the branch wires through the drill holes. We recommend using fish tape to make a successful pull-through. As a warning, proceed with caution on the next session when replacing the cam. Failure to do so may cause irreparable damage to the lock. First, be sure that there are no obstructions and the lock opens and closes smoothly. Next, let's work on replacing the manual cam with the PL1R-LAC's power lock cam on the installed latch. Locate the E-clip and remove it from the lock barrel with pliers. This will allow you to remove the manual cam. Use a Dremel with a carving bit or with a manual filer and grind off the spline on the left and right side of the barrel. This step will turn the lock into a lazy action cam. Lastly, install the PL1R-LAC's power locking cam. We recommend doing a dry fit prior to installing the new cam. This will require presetting the actuator and rod to the correct orientation. Now let's proceed to the next step, which is to install the LAC cover. Connect the actuator to the branch harness using the harness provided with the kit. Install the LAC cover and connect the LED to the power harness. Next, secure the actuator and cover with the provided screws. As a reminder, this install is for a double skin door. Single skin doors require surface mounting components to complete this installation. Next, with a number 8 drill bit, pre-drill holes on the door. Lastly, secure the LAC with the screws provided. Let's proceed to complete the installation. This step should be done when the trunk harness and the PL1R-LAC are installed. First, measure and insert the heat shrink tubing between the trunk and branch wire. We will use this to insulate the wires from the weather. Connect each wire by its color and secure it with the butt connectors provided. Tug the wires to confirm the connection is secure. We recommend using a heat gun to shrink the tubing. Heat the tubing to shrink the material, making sure it covers the connectors. Now your installation is complete.